Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Discord tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to can write bold in Discord. This is actually quite simple and I have two ways to do it. First I open Discord and I have already entered some text here. For the first option I have to put two asterisks before and after the text. So let's do this with this word. And as soon as I have entered the asterisks, we will see that the word is already written in bold. When I send the message, the asterisks are no longer visible and the desired text is bold. For the second option, we take the same text, and now I select the text that I want to have written in bold, and in this context menu I click on the B. This code now applies the same formatting that we have just done manually. If I send the message, we can see that this is now written in bold too. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.